Commando.
Hi, we are right now at Auto Expo Day 1, and right now we have the first celebrity of Auto Expo, Karan Singh Grover, and right now let's speak to him regarding the launch of a new bike and a new brand here in India. That's American brand and let's speak to him directly. Welcome to Karan.
Thank you so much for having me.
So I would like to ask that we all are very fascinated to know about this brand, as well as we know that you're very well connected to bikes from so many years. People see you as an icon in biking industry. So what do you have to say about this American brand coming in India? And do you think it's going to create a new revolution in the biking industry?
I think the first thing that really I have in common or connects me with this brand is their motto. They say conquer the world. This is something that I live by as well. And when I got to know that it just kind of it's not something that I'm only endorsing, it's something that I'm enthusiastic about also, the brand. And with these bikes coming into India, they've moved their technology forward. They've moved the whole biking experience to a new level. There are a lot of new features that their bikes have, like the blind spot mirrors, and there's a USB connector where you can just keep your phone charged, which you're not to talk on it while you're riding, but to at least keep it charged. And so many times you see that there are a lot of bike accidents that happen. This mostly happens because we can't see what is approaching us, and they have blind spot mirrors on their bikes on the new Renegade Commando.
So is it like something like James Bond bike or something like related, something like that?
It's yeah, kind of. Actually, it's not really the James Bond bike, but you can call it a high tech kind of a bike with affordable prices, which is something that our public will really relate to, because you see quality and you feel that because it's so good, the price might be higher, so it's only for a niche market, but it's not. It's for the common man, and they've kind of combined technology and precision and quality and at reasonable rates. So this is something that I think will do really, really well in our country.
Wonderful. Is it there something prices specified, or it going to be very out soon? When the prices will be out? Like what would be the price?
I think prices we have not been told what the prices are at the moment, because they don't want to.
But soon it's going to be out very soon. Yeah?
And I know for a fact that it's quite reasonable. I don't think I should say what the prices are at this moment, because I'm not at liberty to say that. But it's something that everyone can afford.
Wonderful. And you are the first celebrity of this Auto Expo that came, and right now, and what you would like to say? How are you experiencing this whole aura and the atmosphere of Auto Expo? It's the biggest Auto Expo in Asia.
It's the biggest Auto Expo in Asia, and I'm just honored to be here, and it's a privilege to be associated with the brand as well. And if you come to a place like this, you feel power. You feel you want to hear the roar of the engines. You want to hear the sounds of the bikes and the cars that are here, and it's just a very invigorating experience.
That's wonderful. And what do you have to say about the new generation that are coming in, like they're doing stunts and all? What do you have to say? Because people get inspired from bikes and they do stunts, and sometimes it happens to be in an accident. What do you have to say about that? What people should, any message for the youngster, because you are the style icon for them?
See, style always comes after safety. Never forget that. Just because you want to learn something new and try and do something or ape somebody else, you need to understand that first you need to make yourself safe. Also understand that people who you might be seeing are professionally trained at what they're doing. And you need to kind of understand that whatever you're learning or whatever you're doing or whatever you're experimenting with, you don't sacrifice or put your safety behind. You always keep in front.
That's wonderful.
So safety first, man, always.
That's wonderful. So all you guys, you can see style icon Karan Singh Grover himself saying security first and safety first. So always, if you're trying to do stunts, I must take the advice of Karan Singh Grover that always take safety first. And it's wonderful talking to you, and thank you so much for talking to Fashion Expos. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.